Safety is just non-negotiable. It simply has to be. There's no ifs, there's no buts, there's no excuses, and there's absolutely no exceptions. So, every single day, we need to make the conscious decision to step up for safety. And let's do it together.
Jag heter Jonas Lindqvist. I step up for safety.
I'm Jim Fritchie. I step up for safety.
我是刘书良 I step up for safety.
Jag heter Cecilia Carter. I step up for safety.
I'm Peter Kennedy. I stand up for safety.
I am Jonathan Yang. I step up for safety.
I'm Shinjin Park. I step up for safety.
I step up for safety.
Bonjour, je suis Laurent Breton. I step up for safety.
你好，我叫孙红军。I step up for safety.
I'm Stephen Pugh. I step up for safety.
I am Yves Milot. I step up for safety.
Kelly Wade. I step up for safety.
I'm Jim Nellis and I stand up for safety.
Oscar Mermanochata from Bulgaria. I step up for safety.
I'm Scott Derris, and I step up for safety.
Je suis Francisco Santos. I step up for safety.
Je suis Pierre-Louis Fournil. I step up for safety.
Je suis Gérard Géry. I step up for safety.
我是冷志敏 I step up for safety.
我是 Chris Heelight. I step up for safety.
I'm Chris Williams. I step up for safety.
Ciao, sono Marco Bellezza. I step up for safety.
Sono Alessandra Squarciafichi. I step up for safety.
Io sono Massimo Mancini. I step up for safety.
Je suis Delphine Martinez. I step up for safety.
Je suis Loïc Genotet. I step up for safety.
Mein Name ist Hartmut Ott. I step up for safety.
I step up for safety.
I am Dan McGrail. I step up for safety.
We are Ahlstrom, and we choose to step up for safety.